Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video tutorial. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this animation. This is a motion graphics animation. So how to make this, and I want to add this animation in the video clip. So how you can do this work? To see it again and to play it again. So how you can do this work in the Kdenlive? You can see here the Kdenlive, about the Kdenlive. What is the Kdenlive? Open source video editor. So it is a very simple animation. So how you can perform this work? So this is the background. So if you want to add a video clip, this show you the same result. So I don't want to add here in the video clip. So I make this clip as a color clip. So at first I delete everything to delete this one. So I want to delete everything. Just save it here. So how do you add the color clip? Just right click on here and add the color clip. So to add a color clip, so make any color or pick the custom color from here. So you can add here the same color clip. There's here same color clip, and OK in here. OK here, and delete this one, and I don't need this one, so delete this one, and I want to add this color clip in timeline. It's OK. So if you want to add a more track, so right click on in here, insert track. So click on here and insert the track above the V1, not just V1, above the V5 one. So click on here. So if you want to click on here, so add again the video track. So I don't want to do this, I already have made this one. To delete this one, so what track you want to delete? I want to delete this, only this one, V1. So first one, so you can, so I teach you how to, you can add the video track and audio track here. So click on here to make a audio track, click on here, and track 1, this is A for audio track and V for video track and AV. So I don't want this one, so right click on here and add the title clip. So title clip to show the grid and show the, if you want to see the background busy, click on here, and I want to make rectangular. Click in on rectangular shape and make a shape. Okay, so click on outside, click on in here and select this one to align it in align this shape rectangular in middle. Click on here and middle. If you want to change this color, you can do this work. If you want to change this color, so you can do. If you want to change this color, to change this one, so I don't want to change. If you want to change this color, click on here and click, it easily changes. So what is the color? Let's copy this one. So I am to make, so title, create a title clip and add it here. So click on here and change the rectangular middle to duplicate it again, rectangular, not rectangular, it's not rectangular line, top, make this one top. So right click on here and edit this clip, and edit this clip. Okay, and update click. You can see here the plus y axis. I scale it down in plus y axis. Update title clip. So click in on here, this, and same, it duplicate it again and rename it as a top, not dot, button. Click in on here, and again I want to edit this clip and make this clip in you can see here the already is changing. Seven, 6, 2. Okay, we're going to change this one. Okay, this is the top. Update the title, and you can see here the 3 shape are already set on the timeline. I have set 3 shape on here, and I want to add here in the text here, this video track in video track 3. So again I click on here, so I have, so right click on here and add folder. So folder, square, put everything on this folder. So again I want to add a title clip and add title final result. So if you want to change the style, the build title SP, but this one is very I like this one, this text one, or you can build title as your designer. So I don't want this. Build title, titling. build titling SP. So I want this one, and if you want to change the color, just click in on here. You want to change the color and click in on here to align this text in center of this canvas. Click on here and click on the create a title. Click on this. All track are the same the time is, everything is the same time. You can see here the time is, everything is, the time is same. So now I want to make this one as a just want to make I want to add a mode, just alpha out. So to make this one, click on here. You can see here the one purple button will appear here. So click on here. The wipe tools already open, automatically open. So I want to change this one, the alpha out. So you can see here, if alpha out, you can see here, if I change this one alpha in, so the background will appear here. So if I change the alpha out, so you can see this background through this text. So save this file. Now I want to add a keyframe. Click save this again. So first one, I want to add the keyframe in the middle rectangular shape. So to what animation I want to add here? The transform, because I want to move it again. To move this one, I want to add the transform tool. So click on here. First click on here. First click on this here, this three dotted line, and search the transform and add here. So you can see here, so you can easily transform this the shape. So change the you can see here we can't add a this is the animation, this is the key button, delete keyframe. So click on here, you can't do this. I can't delete this button. So if you go the next button, so you can see here the click on in here. So I want to make this one finance 1340 1340. You can see here already disappear. I want to the middle square come from the left, and the top and bottom button will come from right side, and the text also the same position. Text will come from the right side, and the middle square come from the left side. So same value, you can add the same value here, minus 1340. You can see here. Okay, so go to the view frame, go to the view frame and add add on here, you can see the plus button on keyframe to give you a chance to add a keyframe. So go to the keyframe and keep it on 0. And this system gives you a chance to add a keyframe again, and you can add the 40 or 70 and go to the last point. The system gives you a chance to add a keyframe 1340. So you can see here already disappear. So now you set the and click this up, set this here and change the interpolation mode into smooth. And you can now play with animation tools. So I want to make this animation at more speed. You can add it here more 80. So click the animation already done in the middle square button. You can see here the preview. The next animation I want to make it here. So again I want to add the transform tools here. And the next frame systems gives you a chance to add a keyframe to -1340. 1340. The line will come from the right side. One three four zero. And after a few frame, what frame you want to need? This frame. You can see here this is the rectangular. I want to make the same keyframe, and in same frame the frame after a few seconds. So system gives you a chance to make it in center. So you can see here Again, go back to the square, rectangular square, and what to see, I want to see to what frame this frame. So go back to the here and add the keyframe 80, so you can add -80 because I have already show here the +80, or I can add here the key value is -80 in x-axis, minus a negative value of 80. So again, I want to add the keyframe, and I want to add the negative value of x value 1340. Okay, so click this one because and change the interpolation mode as smooth. So you can see here the same animation. So I want to apply the same animation on the top line and on the text here. So to do this, just select this animation which I add in the this button line, button and line button line. So click on here and apply on the line top. So you can see here, and the same process I will apply on the text, final result, the text here. So you can see here. But on the text, I want to same something on here. Because okay, I can see not -80. I want to change this one as a 50 because it already changed the 40, 20. Okay, so I have already done this one. I have already done this one, and if you I want to group all the clips, group clips, so I can easily select, I can easily move here. So this is my final preview. you can see so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new tutorial. Bye bye.